All right, let me start to doodle. Line down here, a couple of triangles. A bit over here. That looks like it could be a monster. Yeah! Okay, let's see. A circle over here, and some lines down here. That looks like it could be a person. It could be Jack. Hey, I think I have an idea. I'll call it Attack of the Mean Sick Monster! Jack is captured by the mean sick monster who gives him a terrible cold. But Jack knows what to do. Jack sneaks up to the sick monster with orange juice. The sick monster is scared of orange juice. Ah, orange juice!